Data can be compared to puzzle pieces that need to be assembled to form a complete picture. With the exponential growth of data in today's digital world, it has become essential to have tools and platforms that can help users put together these pieces of data. One such platform is Databricks. Founded in 2013 by the creators of Apache Spark, Databricks has emerged as a significant player in the world of big data and machine learning, driving innovation with Apache Spark. Apache Spark is an open-source distributed computing system that allows users to process large-scale data and perform complex tasks efficiently. The creators of Databricks have not only leveraged Apache Spark to build their platform but have also made significant contributions to the Apache Spark community. This collaboration has paved the way for Databricks to become a game-changer in the field of data and analytics. MLflow and Delta Lake, enhancing the data ecosystem. Alongside Apache Spark, the founders of Databricks have introduced two other groundbreaking technologies, MLflow and Delta Lake. MLflow is a comprehensive platform that manages the machine learning lifecycle. It offers components and features to streamline the development process, making it easier for data scientists to build and train machine learning models. On the other hand, Delta Lake brings reliability to data lakes, working seamlessly with existing data and supporting ACID transactions. This ensures data integrity and enables smooth data operations, enabling data professionals. Databricks caters to a wide range of professionals in the field of data and analytics. Data scientists can utilize the platform for developing and training machine learning models, performing data analysis, and creating visualizations. Data engineers can leverage Databricks for tasks like data transformation, data cleaning, pipeline creation, and optimizing data for analysis. Data analysts, on the other hand, can use Databricks to explore data, create visualizations and dashboards, and run ad hoc queries. The versatility of Databricks makes it a valuable tool for professionals across different domains. Exploring the architecture. Databricks follows a data lakehouse approach, combining the best features of data lakes and data warehouses. The architecture consists of three main layers: bronze, silver, and gold. The bronze layer represents raw data, while the silver layer houses cleaned and transformed data. The gold layer contains aggregated and optimized data that is suitable for reporting and advanced analytics. Delta Lake plays a crucial role in ensuring reliability, performance, and security in this architecture. Moreover, data can be stored in popular cloud services like AWS and Azure, leveraging their scalability and flexibility. Diving deeper, data engineering and machine learning platforms. Databricks offers two main platforms, data engineering and machine learning. These platforms integrate seamlessly with Apache Spark, empowering users to handle complex data processing tasks, work with diverse data sources, and seamlessly integrate them into analytics workflows. The machine learning platform provides a collaborative environment for data scientists to build, train, and deploy machine learning models. It supports popular machine learning libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Both platforms enable users to create tables, notebooks, clusters, experiments, and models, providing a holistic experience for data professionals. Harnessing the power of clusters and notebooks. Clusters in Databricks are groups of computers that work together to perform tasks efficiently. Users can easily create clusters by logging into their Databricks accounts and following the simple steps. Notebooks, on the other hand, offer a collaborative space for running code. Databricks supports various programming languages like R, Scala, and SQL, allowing users to work with their preferred languages. Additionally, users can create tables using data resources from DBFS, S3, or other sources like Kinesis and Cassandra. And in case the directory gets filled up, unnecessary clusters or notebooks can be deleted, keeping things organized and clutter-free. In conclusion, Databricks is a comprehensive platform that empowers data professionals to leverage the full potential of their data. With its integration with Apache Spark, MLflow, and Delta Lake, Databricks offers a seamless experience for developing, analyzing, and deploying machine learning models. Its architecture and versatility cater to different professionals in the field, making it an essential tool for modern data-driven organizations. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics. See you next time.